According to research, 75% of the world's poorest people live in rural areas and depend on agriculture and other related activities to survive.
We are trying to make sure that our farm product to farm enough in order to feed people. That's how we encourage people to do farming. Farming work is only difficult. The only thing that can sustain hunger is farming.
I planted enough cassava like we normally do, and corn, okra in my compound. So, but now they are bringing fruits. Those ones, they like the okras and the corn. We've harvested them, and so.
A visit to Isiokpo community in Ikwere local government area reviews measures rural dwellers are employing to tackle hunger, which according to them is not enough.
Generally, there is hunger. Our people have been struggling on their own without any form of assistance from the government as far as agriculture is concerned.
We have suffered a lot here because there is no food. There is no food, especially this time they are doing this cholera virus.
Now okra is coming out, both to Gare, and even this kanda I'm selling now, there is nothing inside.
I'm a widow, so that's why if I did not come out to sell market, I used to sell Prevenco. I cannot be able to eat.
In spite of efforts by the people to fight hunger through agriculture, the challenges of finance, farming implements and seedlings continue to stare them in the face.
We have been asking government, asking for their aid to assist us either through grant or loan so that we can be able to go into full farming extension, do it in a way that we don't even need to go out to go and look for any other source of livelihood.
According to the rural dwellers, all they need is just a little push from the government to help them produce what they can eat and also make a living from. From Isiokpo, Osinachi Abraham, NTA News.